What if I told you? You can literally reprogram your brain to think, feel, and act like the person you've always wanted to become. Sounds unbelievable, right? But neuroscience says it's possible. Today, on InspireSticky, I'll show you exactly how to reshape your mind, rebuild your habits, and unlock a version of you that feels unstoppable. Step 2. Understanding neuroplasticity. Your brain is not fixed. It's constantly rewiring itself based on what you focus on, what you repeat, and how you react. Every thought, every action, creates a new connection. That's called neuroplasticity. The more you train your brain with intention, the more powerful and adaptable you become. Step 3. Step into mindset engineering. You've been programmed your whole life, by society, by fear, by comfort. But now, you can become the engineer of your own mindset. Start by asking, what if my limitations are just outdated beliefs? Reframe failure as feedback. See effort as growth. When your mind shifts, your world shifts too. Step 4. Time mastery. Time isn't something you manage. It's something you design. Most people waste time reacting. Winners design time around purpose. Build focused blocks. Eliminate distractions. Protect your mornings like gold. Because how you use your hours defines your destiny. Step 5. Physical optimization. Your body is your brain's engine. Feed it well. Move it daily. Rest deeply. When your body runs clean, your mind runs sharp. Energy is the currency of achievement. Protect it like treasure. Step 6. Building social capital. No one grows alone. Your circle shapes your ceiling. Surround yourself with people who challenge, inspire, and elevate your vision. You don't need hundreds, just a few who believe. Step 7. Emotional intelligence. Emotions are signals, not obstacles. Instead of avoiding them, decode them. Learn to pause before reacting. Control your state, and you control your story. Step 8. The power of identity. Habits are not about what you do. They're about who you believe you are. Tell yourself, I'm not trying to be disciplined, I am disciplined. Identity creates consistency, and consistency creates results. Step 9. The 1% rule. Transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens daily. Improve just 1% every day. Because small wins, repeated, become massive breakthroughs over time. Step 10. Final inspiration. If you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Because your future self is already waiting for you. If this inspired you, subscribe to InspireSticky and let's rewire your life together.